Hello everyone. Welcome to this English lesson. In this video, you will learn 20 commonly used English sentences. Listen carefully and repeat. How are you today? How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from your city. I'm from your city. What do you do? What do you do? I work full-time. I work full-time. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Of course. Of course. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What time is it? What time is it? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? That sounds good. That sounds good. Let's get started. Let's get started. See you later. See you later. Thank you for watching. Practice these sentences every day, and see you in the next lesson.